Welcome to the Powerline by Power Consulting. Today, we're exploring 5 ways businesses can optimize their IT costs. First, identify your IT operations. You may have in-house IT, managed services, or a hybrid of both called co-managed IT. Understanding which model you use helps you evaluate cost management strategies effectively. Second, consider how you measure IT costs. A common approach is a flat rate per user fee, which varies with your company's growth. Smaller companies may spend up to 8% of their revenue on IT, while larger firms may spend closer to 5%. Rapidly growing businesses often choose managed services to scale without adding in-house staff. Next, assess your current IT infrastructure. Knowing whether you use office-based, hybrid, or fully remote IT systems is essential for cost-saving decisions. Cloud services are especially popular for reducing the need for physical offices, especially for startups. Fourth, decide on your managed services strategy. You can fully outsource IT management or blend in-house support with managed services. Companies with over 250 employees often choose this hybrid approach, keeping certain roles internal while outsourcing areas where expertise is lacking. Finally, avoid cutting costs in areas like cybersecurity and strategic projects. Cloud migrations and robust security are critical investments that provide long-term savings and protection. To learn more, read the full article on our website, and don't forget to add us to your Spotify playlist for more insights.